Start walking toward it.
Come on.
Over the log. Hey, no problem. Holy shit. It was like, whatever. Boink. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it. Get it. It's all yours.
Oh my God. Arr, arr, arr.
We are out in the Winewanna Preserve off of Cassidy Road, Chelsea, Michigan. It's 70 degrees and it is March 14th. This is the beautiful Nicole.
Hi.
Me, El Roberto. And my doggy Wobe. So I used to bring him out here. One of the places we can let him run with no leash. We do obey the leash laws in the city though.
All the laws in the city. You want me to film that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm filming Robert as he's walking.
Come on, let's go in the swamp, doggy.
We're going to go in a swamp.
Come on.
Very exciting.
Come here, buddy.
Very exciting. Oh,
There you go.
I have a hard time walking.
There
Swampy
you go.
dog. Oh, yuck. Honey, get him out of there. Oh, no.
He's fine.
He's going to get this
Honey, they can do
temper.
whatever they want. Distemper? What are you talking about?
Well, what if there's like raccoon yuck or something? Does he have a chef? He has a chef.
Yeah.
Worried mom all the time.
All right.
All right, we're done.